Are you for the best baby bath toys? Bath time is not just about cleanliness. It's a key opportunity for sensory stimulation, bonding, and fun. For parents, finding the right baby bath toys can make the experience more engaging and enjoyable for children, while ensuring safety and developmental benefits. List number: Munchkin Float. The Munchkin Float and Play Bubble Set is a budget-friendly bath toy designed to entertain and stimulate babies' senses. With 4 watertight bubbles featuring textured rings, spinning elements, and rattling sounds, these toys cater to sight, touch, and hearing development. The airtight design ensures no water gets trapped inside, making them hygienic and easy to clean. The bright colors and playful characters like the ducky and whale add an extra layer of fun, making this set an excellent choice for babies aged 4 months and older. In terms of performance, these toys float well and remain engaging for toddlers as they grow. The compact size makes them easy for small hands to grasp, and the lack of holes eliminates concerns about mold buildup. While the design is simple, it offers plenty of stimulation for younger babies. However, older toddlers might find the toys less engaging as they outgrow their sensory appeal. Overall, this set delivers exceptional value at its price point and is ideal for parents seeking safe, low-maintenance bath toys. List number: Munchkin Super Scoop Hanging Bath Toy Storage with Quick-Drying Mesh. The Munchkin Super Scoop is not a toy, but a practical storage solution for bath toys. Featuring a quick-drying mesh and a strong suction cup for mounting, this product helps parents keep bath time organized and hygienic. The extra-large mouth allows for easy scooping of multiple toys, while the mesh fabric ensures proper air circulation to prevent mold and mildew. This product is best for parents who already own several bath toys and need a reliable storage solution. Performance-wise, the suction cup works effectively on smooth surfaces like tile and fiberglass, but may struggle on textured or porous surfaces. The mesh dries quickly, ensuring toys remain clean and ready for use. While it doesn't provide entertainment for children, it excels in functionality and durability. Parents looking to declutter and maintain a hygienic bath environment will appreciate this product, though it's worth noting that it doesn't include toys and adds to the overall cost of bath time accessories. List number: Alisu 3PCS Suction Cup Spinner Toys for 1-year-old boy-girl, Spinning Top Baby Toys, 12-18 months. The Alisu Suction Cup Spinner Toys are versatile sensory toys designed for bath time and beyond. With strong suction cups that adhere to flat surfaces, these spinning toys provide endless entertainment for toddlers. Their bright colors, smooth texture, and spinning motion help develop hand-eye coordination and sensory skills. The set is well packaged, making it a great gift option for toddlers aged 12 months and up. These spinner toys perform well both in and out of the bath. They stick firmly to smooth surfaces like bathtubs, tiles, and even refrigerators, providing a distraction for toddlers during other activities. The spinning motion is captivating and encourages repetitive play, which can be beneficial for children with autism. However, the suction cups may lose effectiveness on uneven surfaces, and the toys may not float in water. Despite these limitations, the Alisu spinner toys are an excellent choice for sensory stimulation and motor skill development. List number: Hely Infant Bath Toys for 18 months, No-Hole Animal Bathtub Toys. The Hely No-Hole Animal Bath Toys are designed with safety and hygiene in mind. Made from soft rubber, these toys are sealless, ensuring no water gets trapped inside and preventing mold growth. Their smooth surface and bright colors make them easy to grab and visually stimulating for toddlers. Suitable for babies aged 18 months and older. These toys can be used both in and out of the tub, offering versatility and durability. These toys excel in hygiene and ease of maintenance, as they are dishwasher safe and free of water-trapping holes. The soft rubber material is safe for teething babies, and the compact size is perfect for small hands. However, the lack of interactive features may limit their appeal for older toddlers who seek more engaging play. Overall, the Hely bath toys are ideal for parents prioritizing safety and simplicity in their bath toy selection. List number 5: Baby Bath Toys. The Angelico Light Up Whale Bath Toy is a premium option that combines colorful lights, water sprinkling, and rechargeable battery functionality. Designed for children aged 6 months and up, this toy transforms bath time into a captivating experience with its automatic water spraying and induction lighting. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with smooth edges, it prioritizes safety while delivering endless entertainment. This whale toy performs exceptionally well in terms of engagement, with its light-up feature and water spray keeping toddlers entertained throughout bath time. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting playtime, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements. However, the toy's higher price point and occasional water leakage issues may deter some buyers. For parents seeking an interactive and visually stimulating bath toy, the Angiko whale is a standout choice.